Hey guys, today we are going to explore something completely different, a new way of thinking about business process, automation and applications. What it looks like to run and what it looks like to build. Hi, my name is Sandeep and in today's video, I am going to give you an overview of Microsoft no code, low code and pro code agent platforms, and I will show you how you can build your own digital coworkers and agent to accelerate the innovations with AI. And this is not just a future vision, it's about scale and velocity. Nowadays, AI first organization doesn't ask how can we be 10% better. Instead, it asks how can we be 10 times better with AI. That's the real shifts, moving from incremental improvements to the exponential changes. And the key to make that happen is agents and digital coworker work alongside with human to increase the productivity. And this is exactly where agent platform comes in. With Microsoft 365 copilots and agents, we are not just building one chatbot or one automations. We are creating and building scalable digital workforce that can stretch across the organization. And don't worry, if you are new to the AI agent platform, I will walk you through everything step by step so you can understand Microsoft no code, low code and pro code platform. Also, you can build your own autonomous agents and digital coworker. So let's get started, and to make it very simple, I have broken down this video into two parts. Part 1 is for non-coder and business user where we are going to use Microsoft Agent Builder and Copilot Studio. And part 2 is for coders and IT professional where we are going to use Microsoft 365 SDK and toolkits. By end of this video, you are going to understand how Microsoft 365 copilots and agents working together alongside with human to create a digital workforce for your business operation. Enough talking, now let's jump to the implementation part and start with people who don't code every day.
Let's create the research agent that scan online data and summarize the key company insights. First, log into Microsoft 365 Copilot using this URL. On the left side, select agents and then click create agents. This is where your AI coworker begins. Now, click on configure tab and complete all the necessary information. You can change the agent icon and you can also give name, description, instructions and knowledge URL. In my case, I will call it Research AI Agent. Then add a description, something like this. Provide structure, business-friendly summary of company by searching online source and extracting the key insight as industry, size and print. This help guide the agent rules. Now comes to the most important part, instructions. Here, what I have added to make sure the agent work like professional research. These instructions ensure your agent doesn't just give a random answer but reliable structured research. And at the end, you can also click all website here, or you can also give specific URL. In my case, I'll give specific URL so I can do the research on newvisionsoftware.com. This is how you configure the website and it will be visible here. You can also enable code interpreters and image generators if you wish to generate graph or any kind of tables. This is how we do the basic configurations of AI agents. Now click on create button, and once your agent is created, we can test it. So this is how we create the basic agents that will go on any of the public URLs and do the research. Now you can see here, this is how we successfully created the agents. You can copy this URL and share it with anyone. Once your agent is created, it's time to test. Here I'll ask research on New Vision software. Then research AI agent summarize all the informations like company overview, what are the core services they have provided, industry size, key insight. It's like having your own research analyst working in the background. You can see here, this is how Research AI agent summarize all the informations. Also, if you want to ask any specific information like open position at New Vision software, then we can put it like this and it will give you the right information. Now, if you can go on the New Vision career page, this is how we have open position in digital assurance, Microsoft, utility and all other practices. Now, if you go here and see research AI agents start finding all the informations on New Vision career page, and it will give us like this. Also, if you really want to convert all this data into JSON format and table format, that is also possible. You can write down the simple prompt like make it in JSON format and table format, and this is how your data will convert it into JSON and table format.
This is the simple agents we have created. Now let's move to the advanced things, and I will show you step by steps how to create interview scheduling agents using Microsoft Studio. After that, you can understand how to connect your own data and thousand number of tools with your own agents.
This is the home dashboard of Microsoft Copilot Studio, where you can create and manage the AI agent for different business scenarios. At the top, there is big input box saying describe your agents to create it. Example in the screenshot, create an agent for topic related to human resource and employee benefits. This means you can simply describe your use case in natural language, and Copilot Studio will suggest an agent template for you, like HR and benefit in this case. This is the no code and low code way of starting an AI agents. So if you look into this particular page, we have a left panel sections which is talk about your agent is now set up to provide the information and supports on human resource and employee benefits, including policy, procedures and available programs. This is the natural language authoring steps. You tell Copilot in plain English what you need, and it's create the foundations of your agents. And the right panel is test your agents. So here Copilot show example question employee might ask these HR agents. Ask about health insurance policy, ask about request leave policy details, like what health insurance options are available to employee. Can you explain the company leave policies? What retirement benefit does the company offer? So this kind of questions employee might ask to the HR agents. And the top option is describe and configure tab. You are in describe mode now, but you can switch to configure for manual setup. And this is where you configure the agent name, descriptions and instructions. Also, if you want to connect your own data, file and other resource, you simply click on this add button and connect to your own files and data. This is how we configure the agents, and once you click on create, agent will start creating. Once your agent is created, go to this knowledge tab, and this is the step where you connect your agent to the data. Now click on this add knowledge. You can drag and drop the document or upload directly. It allows you to sync from OneDrive and SharePoint. Also, there are more options, like you can connect your Azure AI search, you can connect your Azure SQL also. In my case, I'll simply drag and drop one of the PDF documents here. And once you click on add to agent, this is how it started linking to your agents. Now let's quickly test these agents. Let's ask the question like, can you explain the company leave policy and give me the details in 2 to 3 lines. And once I enter this, it will go and search the information in this document and give you the answer quickly here. This is how you configure the knowledge and other things. Now if you look into this, this is how we got the casual leaves, maternity leave and medical leave details. Now move on to the next step. Inside Copilot Studio, you can expand your agent capabilities by adding more tools. Here I click on add tools, and as you can see, Copilot Studio give me a bunch of built-in suggestions. For example, I can connect to Excel Online Business to fetch or update the candidate data from spreadsheet. Also use Office 365 Outlooks or Microsoft Teams to communicate directly with candidate or hiring manager, or even integrate with planners and ServiceNow to track the task and ticket. There is also search bar at the top, so if I don't see what I need here, I can quickly look up other connectors. Plus I can even create a new custom tools to bring in something that's unique to my workflow. So if you want to connect your REST API, MCP, agent flow, prompts or custom connectors, this is how you can connect. This flexibility is what makes Copilot Studio so powerful. You can combine AI with everyday app like Outlook, Excel, Teams and SharePoint to fully automate repetitive tasks. Now I'll show you how to actually configure one of these tools so your agent can automatically take the action instead of just responding. So let's connect the Office 365 Outlook that will help us to send the email when we schedule the interview. So you can see here, this is how we can configure send an email. And once you click on add and configure, this Office 365 send email connect to our agents. Now let's quickly test this AI agents and let's see this agent is scheduled the interview and share the email with candidate. So if you remember, we have connected this Excel sheet to our agent which has candidate information like name, email address, role, status and date and time. So we have to fetch the candidate whose interview status is pending and we'll share the email to them. So what we can do is we'll simply put the prompt here. Can you please share the email with those candidates whose status is pending for developer role? Also, before sending the invite, confirm a date and time. And this is how we found the candidate list with pending status. Now we'll go ahead and schedule the interview on 21st September. So instead of 20 September, we put the prompt, can you schedule the interviews on 21st September at 11 AM. And you can see here the interview is rescheduled and email has been sent successfully to those candidates. Now if I go to the Outlook, you can see here, this is how I have just received the email with date and time. So you can configure the same kind of tools here and your agents will work on behalf of human.
And once that is done, you can publish this agent any of the channel like Teams, Outlook or your public websites. And after that you can see agent activities and analytics.
In Copilot Studio, the activity tab show you how your agent is being used real time, while analytics provide insights into performance, user engagement and trend. So this analytic will appear once you publish this particular agent. And at the end, the channel tab lets you connect your agents to the platform like Teams, WhatsApp, Facebook or a website. So user can interact across the multiple touch points. So this is how we configure the agent with the help of Copilot Studio.
We have built the agent using no code and low code platform. Now it's time for part 2. If you are a developer or IT professional, you might want deeper control, and that's where the Pro Code Toolkit comes in. With Microsoft 365 SDK and Toolkit and help of Azure AI Foundry, you can build your custom agent and integrate it with your enterprise systems. Also, you can connect this agent with your API and data source securely because Microsoft 365 SDK give us the speed and agility that we need. And why Microsoft Copilot Studio and Microsoft Agent SDK specifically? Because this is the future of work inside the company. Tasks like report generations, data entry, and repetitive admin works, which is handled by people today, increasingly done by agents.
Enough talking, now let's go ahead and create the agent using Microsoft 365 Agent Toolkit. But before we begin, you need to install Agent Toolkit extension for Visual Studio. And how to do this? Click on Get Tools and Features. And once that is done, this is how the screen will be appear on your screen. Now what you have to do is you have to simply click on ASP.NET and Web Development, and here you will see the option Microsoft Agent Toolkit. Just click the checkbox and install these extensions for Visual Studio. To build the new project, open the Visual Studio and select Create New Project. Search for Agent to find new template using Microsoft 365 Agent Toolkit and then click on Next. Here you can give the name to the agent, or you can also change the locations and solution name if you want. Now click on Create again, and this is how the dialog box will be appear to select the agents. We have the list of options to select the agent. If you look into this, we have declarative agents, weather agent, basic agents for teams. If you want to chat with your data, you can select this option, and if you can go with empty template, you can simply select this. So this is how you can choose particular agent templates and create your own agent. We will go with weather agents and click on Next. Here we will select the required LLMS service. I'll go with Azure OpenAI, and after that we have to provide 3 keys, which is OpenAPI service key, OpenAPI endpoints and OpenAPI deployment name. And how to get this? You have to visit Azure portal and click on Azure OpenAI. After that you have to create new Azure OpenAPI service. I already created it with AI with something. Now click on Explore Azure AI Foundry portals, and this is how the page will be open for you. Now go to this deployment section and click on GPT-4 model. If you are not deploy any of the models, you can simply deploy it from here. I'll simply click on GPT-4 deployed model, and from this section you will copy the endpoints, API key and model name. You have to copy these three things, go to Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio and paste it here. You can simply click on create, and this is how your solution will be created and configure all the things. Now open the app setting.json and make sure you have configured the right things here. Also, you can replace the same key in the development.json and playground.json files. Once that is done, you can simply choose the option here, Microsoft 365 Agent Playgrounds. You can go with other options